are pleased to show you the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, tow hitch, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, fog lights, compass, security alarm, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.